Thank you for your interest in HassleFree Technologies NB330 Intermittent Rotary Die Cutting Machine. This video would demonstrate the features and general operation of the equipment. So what is an intermittent rotary die cutting machine? What does it do better than a flatbed die cutting machine or a die station present on a flexo press? First, why intermittent? As the diversity of products is increasing each day, print runs are getting shorter. Short runs often do not justify the purchase of a dedicated magnetic cylinder and a full circumference rotary die cutting die. So an intermittent machine allows you to just use one common magnetic cylinder for all repeat sizes, in our case up to 340 mm. And you save investments in magnetic cylinder cost, and since an intermittent die is much smaller, you save on die cost as well. Second, why rotary die rather than a flat die? Setting pressure on a flat die is a lot more time consuming than setting the cutting pressure on a rotary cutting die. Bearers on the magnetic cylinder ensure that deep cutting is just not possible. Hence you get super fast job setups, excellent cutting quality, all with great savings. So how do you operate this rotary intermittent die cutting machine? Load the roll onto the unwind unit. Next, feed the web through the machine. You will not require any air connection to inflate the rewind shafts. Our unique spring-loaded design allows you to simply slide in the paper cord. Enter the job name or recall it from a 100-job memory. Enter the job's format length. Now bring the magnetic cylinder to the center with the register control. Stick the flexible rotary die onto the origin mark of the magnetic cylinder. Now press the Set Origin option on the touchscreen and the die reaches its home position. Notice the paper also moves and stops when the eye mark sensor scans the eye mark. Turn both the pressure screws clockwise to set the cutting pressure. Press the one cycle option and check the cutting pressure. Adjust the pressure if needed. Turn on the lock poles once desired pressure is achieved. Now register the job by moving the sensor either forward or backwards. Minor adjustments can be made by a small adjustment screw. Remove the matrix and attach it to the matrix rewind shaft. Set the matrix roller tension if needed by turning the spring bolt clockwise. The machine is now all set to run. The machine will stop in case of web breaks, in case of register shifting, matrix breakages, roll end, or excessive pressure. For full rotary operation, change the web path and select the full rotary option on the touchscreen. The machine can comfortably run at over 200 impressions per minute. It can do so at even repeats of 250 mm, giving you up to 50 meters of linear speed. The machine can now be left unattended. It will alarm and stop in case of any errors. In the rare case of a breakdown, just connect your laptop to the back of the machine and leave the hassles for us to fix. We will connect into your machine remotely and fix whatever is needed. With NB330 Intermittent Rotary Die Cutting Machine, you save investments in tooling, cutting dies, Get much faster setups, better throughputs, excellent cutting quality, no air connection, no web guides, no daily lubrication, no tension controls. Simply hassle-free. NB330 fits in less than 1 square meter of floor space. NB330 is available in many cool metallic colors to suit your taste. To enjoy hassle-free die cutting, please contact us at coolstuff@hasslefreetech.in or visit us at www.hasslefreetech.in. NB330 Intermittent Rotary Die Cutting Machine, making die cutting truly hassle-free.